CM Jacob Medal for the year 1990, System Society of India Service Award of Vijnana Parishad of India on May 2013. He is also having the wide consulting experience and remained consultant in Center of Prospective Investigations 1983 to 1984. He has more than 100 publications in various different national and international journals. He is also having. Now I would like to introduce Dr. Nitin sir. Dr. Nitin sir. Dr. Datta sir he did his PhD from IIT Delhi on monsoon dynamics and modeling. Dr. Ratan Datta sir was advisor Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, project coordinator and founder head of National Center for Medium Range Weather Forecasting, a center involved in development of global weather prediction models. Dr. Datta has been an active member of Executive Council of CERT, Vice Chairman of TCS, IT Applications of IFIP, that is International Federation of Information Processing, and Autonomous Body of UNESCO. Now I would like to introduce Dr. Nitin sir. Dr. Nitin sir is Associate Professor and Assistant Dean, Student Affairs at Jaipuria Institute of Management. Dr. Nitin sir has done his doctorate in Computer Science in the area of Financial Informatics from School of Mathematics and Allied Sciences, Jivaji University, Gwalior. PhD topic is interdisciplinary using techniques of artificial neural networks, data mining, mathematical modeling, and time series forecasting. He has 14 years of teaching experience at undergraduate and postgraduate levels. First Best Teacher Award of Prestige Institute of Management and Research. Indore was conferred on him in the year 2008. Dr. Nitin sir is a life member of scientific and professional bodies like Indian Science Congress Association, Kolkata, Gwalior Academy of Mathematical Sciences, Gwalior, and was institutional member of Computer Society of India, and lots of more about him. And sir, we are very privileged to have your presence in this session. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Kameshu sir to bless this session with his valuable knowledge.
Okay, so thanks a lot. I have 40 minutes for this program. 3:10 I will finish. So first of all, how many of you love mathematics? Please raise hands. 1, 2. And how many of you are scared of mathematics? So my only appeal, you are all young. Learning mathematics is very simple. Creating new mathematics is very, very difficult. So mathematics is the language of this country. Whether you do management science, whether you do political science, whether you do physics, chemistry, or any engineering, electrical, mechanical. If you are not handling things mathematically, you are handicapped. It is something if you do not know the language. The way you feel handicapped, the same way you feel handicapped. I first appeal that because what has happened over the last 2 or 3 decades, man has become one dimensional. Man and woman both. Now in America, they say, don't say he has become unidimensional, they say she has become. Because man is a subset of she, he. Anyway, so you are always, every student is talking in terms of money package. Man is multi-dimensional. The two things you excite. Mathematics, learning, literature, sightseeing, whatever you like. If you have multi-dimensional personality, don't reduce it only to because the package is not